designing a small living room doesn't mean sacrificing style or comfort. With smart furniture choices and clever layouts, a small space can feel open, cozy, and functional. Minimalist living room designs are perfect for creating a peaceful atmosphere while saving space. Think sleek lines, neutral colors, and multifunctional pieces that add both charm and practicality. Space-saving furniture like foldable tables, wall-mounted shelves, and modular sofas are great options for small room ideas. These solutions allow you to maintain a comfortable living room without the clutter. Consider your living room layout carefully. Placing furniture against walls and keeping the center open can make the room feel larger. Smart furniture also plays a key role in compact living room solutions. Ottomans with hidden storage, extendable coffee tables, and corner sofas help optimize every inch of your small living room. When it comes to home decoration, mirrors, vertical storage, and natural lighting can transform even the tiniest living room into a modern and inviting space. Whether you're planning a living room renovation or just want to refresh your current setup, these interior design tips can inspire small living room projects that truly shine. Use these small living room ideas to turn your limited area into a stylish and functional haven. Like what you see? Subscribe for more small spaces inspiration, home decoration tips, and space-saving furniture ideas.